live on YouTube. Let me see the chat. Happy Monday, everybody. Hello, boss. Boss is not here. Yanis is on vacation, I think. Hello, Mr. Passion. Please don't call me Mr. But I am a Mr. Yes, Victor. Don't forget to put like to this amazing class. Hello, AUD USD. Is Mr. Passion live? Yes, I am. I can see it. AUD USD MHB. Our title for today is how to adjust the Contrarian Fibonacci in a downtrend. Yes, sir. Okay, everybody, remember the three pillars. We are trying to build a strategy and or a system. Next month is going to be an interesting month because we are going to write down your strategies. We are trying to implement risk management. We are trying to work on our psychology. Remember, I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat. And if this is your first time, everybody, we are in the intermediate module. We are over the basic module and the beginner module. So if this is your first time, please go back on Stohastic YouTube page and find Forex Trading Course 101 and start watching the webinars starting from lesson 1. Also remember, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide, and the webinars are not trading or investment advice. The webinars are for educational purposes only. For homeworks and or questions, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact, and my LinkedIn contact. That being said, let's open AUD USD. It's here. Hello, Annie. How are you? What's your question, MHB? Do you have any questions? How to adjust the Contrarian Fibonacci? So let's wait. Yanis is big boss. You are you are my boss. No, I'm not. So let's wait. What do we have here? Don't bother everybody with these lines. Let's wait for the software to respond. Let's delete. Okay, great. So, and we're going to delete the pivot points. Delete. There you go, everybody. Hello, Stoyan. How are you? Did you like my answer, Stoyan, on Skype? Did you like my answer on Skype? I guess you didn't like my answer, huh? But it's an honest answer, okay? J Company, bonjour, comment ça va? Très bien. I just say the perdu to the oh yes, great. Stoyan, don't worry, but it's the truth, you know. A lot of traders are trying to get to the professional level for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years, but they are undercapitalized. Everybody, the Forex market and the Forex trading game, for the lack of a better word, it's an expensive thing. You need to have capital. You are not going to win with $100 in this game. I have not received anything. I answered to you on Skype 2 days ago. Or maybe I'm mixing you with some other friend. Okay, I'm sorry, maybe I'm mixing you with some other friend. Okay, I'm going to check later. Okay, everybody, what is going to happen? Tell me. What is going to happen if the market breaks this counter trend line? What is going to happen if the market is going to break this counter trend line? And before we move further, we have the three lines. We are going to draw the Contrarian Fibonacci. This is AUD USD monthly chart because we want to understand if the C is a confirmed C from all the time frames. I don't have this, so let's color code default. Okay, just different colors. There you go. What is this? 1618 and Fibonacci retracement. Now let's color code differently. Original one. Okay, doesn't matter. So no, this was not a confirmed C. Right? What is going to happen, everybody, if this market breaks this downtrend line? Forex is the cheapest of all markets for traders. I don't think so, Miguel. I'm not talking about commissions. I'm talking about capital. If you are trading on from the daily chart, everybody, and above, you should have $10,000 in the account minimum. Daily chart is 10,000 US dollars or 10,000 euros if you're going to, because the daily spikes, daily candles. Boss, what are you moving? Average number. I have two moving average. One is 8, other is 21. But we're going to have a class on indicators. Could just be a retracement. Yes. As what? Then has an 80% chance to go to the other trend line. And if the market, I'm speculating right now, remember these webinars are not trading or investment advice. And if the market is going to break the second downtrend line, it has an 80% chance to go to the long-term downtrend line. And of course, in between, the market is going to react at past resistance, past resistance, past resistance. Why past resistance is important? Because if we are going to trade the contrarian Fibonacci, you need to be aware of past resistance because something is going to happen in here. So if you're going to enter at past resistance on the 1 hour, 2 hour chart, if you don't have enough capital, you are going to lose. Me too, right? Me too. If I don't have enough capital from the daily chart, I'm going to lose on the 1 hour, 2 hour chart, 15-minute chart. Okay? We don't know what is going to happen, but if the market breaks, you mean to make a living from Forex? Yes, sir. Correct, Nawaf. But I'm talking about the daily chart. Talking about the daily chart. I was what you call in English? I was a speaker in some traders congress, and they were asking me, "Oh, what about? How can I be a professional trader?" And I said, "You need to have minimum 10,000 US dollars." And then the audience went quiet. Everybody went quiet, like, what? But this is the truth. Nobody's telling you this. Right? Everybody's telling you, oh, you are going to be a millionaire with 100 bucks in 2 months. We know that this is not true. I'm always confused how a counter trend line is confirmed. We learned about this. If this is the market and if there is a counter trend line break, you need to have minimum 2 lows and 2 highs on the other side of the counter trend line. Time to shine. No guarantees whatsoever. Remember to manage the risk. Okay, so we don't have a contrarian Fibonacci in a downtrend here. Okay, we don't have a confirmed C. We are going to delete this one. but this is the path. If the market is going to break the one trend line, the first trend line, the second trend line, maybe the third trend line, right? What else can we do? We can project a sideways channel. It's a projection, it's a speculation, right? So this is going to be our target if the market is going to start moving up. Nonetheless, the long time bias, the long time direction is still down, okay, because of the market wave extension, retracement, extension. Okay, so this is the monthly chart. Let's check the weekly. You are welcome. Delete, don't bother with this line, this is wrong, don't do this everybody, this is from past lessons. This is from past lessons, these blue lines, red lines, orange lines, pivot points. Don't do this, okay, don't do this, too much of everything, don't do this. Okay, so weekly chart. Okay, I'm going to clean up a little bit the chart, clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up. We have a down AB boundary, this is our C. As you can see, it's not confirmed, right? And what I have here, it's an introduction. This is the so-called Fibonacci of the confirmation, or the so-called the confirmation Fibonacci. We are going to learn about it tomorrow, maybe on Wednesday, Thursday. Right? So I'm going to delete it right now. What can we do to earn some pips and money? We can draw a counter trend line and wait, right? So we are in the risk area, which is the counter trend line. One or two things are going to happen. If the market is going to break the counter trend line, wait for the closed candle with the body on the weekly chart. Okay, boss, previous level C was correct. Yes, it was. And if the market is going to make, for any reasons, a bearish candlestick formation near the downtrend line, which is our counter trend line, then we are going to have, George, are you in the webinar, George? We are going to have a confirmed sideways channel. Passion, but we need to wait for a week, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But we have, if the market is going to make a bearish candlestick formation, we have a confirmed channel already. So don't go long right now. Remember, these webinars are not trading or investment advice. But just technically speaking, if you want to go long, wait for the counter trendline break. If you want to go short, wait for a bearish candlestick formation on the daily chart. Okay. However, talking about, we don't have a contrarian Fibonacci yet. We don't have a high. This is the low, but this is not a high yet. We are going to wait for 2 more weeks for the market to fall, to establish or to make a low. So this is AUD USD weekly chart. Let's check AUD USD daily chart. Let's delete the indicators. Delete the indicators. Okay. So let's check first the big picture. And this is the counter trend line. Yes. Delete, delete, delete. Don't do this, everybody. Too much horizontal lines, too much supports and everything. Delete this one. And if you are going to trade with the Fibonacci, everybody, you need to have your, what you are looking at right now is the daily chart, but I have the weekly and the monthly D extension down here. You should have it too. on the daily chart. Why is that? Because when the market hit the extension, is game over. It's going to retrace, most likely. Time to shine. We are not entering prematurely on the counter trend line break though, because it is not a confirmed counter trend line break. Yes sir, correct. Correct. Okay everybody, it's a suggestion. You should have the weekly and monthly the extension on all your time frames, on the daily too, because if the market is going to fall, right, and I'm going to trade on the 1 hour, 2 hour charts, here is going to be my take profit. Why is that? Because the higher time frame controls the smaller time frame, especially the monthly the extension. When the market is going to hit the monthly the extension, the market is going to retrace. Okay, oh, the market, yes, the market is always waving. Okay, but for the time being we are sideways. Let's say that the market is going to push out of the sideways channel, is going to wave, right, and is going to hit the weekly the extension. Guess what is going to do? Well, 9 times out of 10 is going to retrace with a deep retracement. And then what is going to do? I'm talking about Fibonacci trading. Is going to go back down and hit the monthly the extension. Guess what is going to do? 9 times out of 10 is going to make an even deeper retracement. And because we don't have a confirmed C from the daily chart, right? We don't have a confirmed C from the daily chart. Most likely this is going to be the path. And of course, remember the risk. The market can do anything it wants, where it wants, when it wants. Okay, I don't have the crystal ball, but most likely 9 times out of 10 this is how the Fibonacci work. You hit that the extension is going to retrace, hit that the extension is going to retrace. Okay, now on this smaller scale, looks like it's forming a bearish candlestick formation right now. So if it's going to form a bearish candlestick formation on the daily and with the counter trend line break, me and you, right, you can go short if you want, because we have a confirmed channel. Okay, we are going to learn, if time allows us, about also JForex has great improvements. Congratulations to the programmers. They have added the harmonic patterns here. Okay, I don't know the names. I don't know if it's Gartley or Bet or whatever, but this is a harmonic pattern which we are going to learn, or not. Alright, too much stuff. But this is the daily chart. We need to wait for until the end of the day. So this candle is what? I need to wait for 12 more hours for this candle to close bearish, and then I need to check the smaller time frame, and if it's going to break the counter trend line, then I'm going to short the market. Stop loss, easy one, 10 pips or 100 pipettes above in here. And remember, these webinars are not trading or investment advice, okay? Oh, I'm going to enter because FXPassion said so, and then the market, bam, is going to stop you out. Oh, I'm so angry with Passion because he said, oh, we are educating you. You need to be responsible. You need to risk your trades accordingly. Okay? Boss, what are harmonics? Harmonics are patterns in the market that repeat on all time frames. You can check the internet. Okay, you can check the internet. Harmonic patterns, MHB. There is a lot of free stuff you can learn from. But remember also the harmonics patterns are not guaranteed. Okay. Miguel is saying the more we learn the better for us. Yes sir. But sometimes it happens analysis paralysis. Too much information, it's not good. So let's go back on the Contrarian Fibonacci. Okay, Contrarian Fibonacci, we have it here. We can start drawing it. Fibonacci retracement. This is the first. Fibonacci green goes to green. So I don't have a high yet, but I can project. This is going to be the next Contrarian Fibonacci. But it's a projection right now. Okay. Now, everybody, if my Contrarian Fibonacci is up, why should I short the market down? What do you think? What is the answer? If you're my teacher and I'm your student, teacher, why are you going to short the market if the Contrarian Fibonacci is up? What are you going to tell me? Boss, our webinar is on Fibo. Boss, we can learn, but what you teach is a matter a lot. Thank you, MHB. Your original Fibonacci short. Yes, sir. Great answer. Time to shine. Because the original Fibonacci is down. Right? Okay. Now, if I'm going... Time to shine. Teacher, time to shine. If I'm going to short the market... And if I'm going to lose, I'm going to ask you, teacher, why did we lose? Why did we lose on the trade, teacher? Why did we short? We have an up Contrarian Fibonacci. Why did we short the market? Why did we lose? Time to shine. What is going to be your answer? So is long-term bias? Yes, because of the Fibonacci don't work inside channels. Great answer, Nawaf. Congratulations. Yes, sir. Fibonacci's don't work inside the channels. Yes, sir. Because we didn't have a confirmed low point C. Also, yes. Congratulations to you. So I hope everybody that you are making your losing trades okay, because there is no right or wrong. It's just high probability trade, less probability trade. Okay. So this is the daily chart. Let's move on the 4-hour chart. Delete the indicators, delete, compress the chart. I don't know where I am, so I'm here. And I don't have a down. I don't have the Fibonacci's on my 4-hour chart. Don't have, right? Don't have big support resistance. Clean up. There you go. See everybody, this was a trade in here. I don't know if you can see. We short the market first here. And again, let's say that we are in a sideways channel first. Let's make it like this. Clone. Up in here, right? Somewhere in here. If didn't go up because it make double bottom. Maybe yes. So talking about the Contrarian Fibonacci, let me see which one it doesn't matter because the market went down. So contrarian Fibonacci on the 4-hour chart. So let's find the A and the B, A to B. This is A to B, A to B. So this is not the contrarian anymore, this is the original one. Hit the red, and red goes to red. Fibonacci retracement tool, red goes to red. There you go. Almost hit the D. Extension up. Okay. So I'm going to delete the first one, everybody, and lines, trend lines, black, like this, like this. This is the first one, short line, and there you go. There you go. You have the market is breaking the counter trend line for the sideways movement, sideways channel. Teacher, should we enter right now? What do you think? Oh my god, it's breaking the trend line. Should we enter, teacher? Let's open a new one. Open, let me see. I don't have it, no problem. So 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart, let's compress the chart. 1 hour chart. This is the trend line and counter trend line. Should we go short, everybody? Oh my god, it broke on the 1 hour time frame. It broke the uptrend line. Should we go short right now? Man, should we short the market? Let's make some pips. No. No. Risk reward. Risk reward is good, Miguel. Risk reward is great. If this is the upper band and this is the lower band, risk reward is great, Miguel. I'm going to risk that much and I'm going after that much. Risk reward is great. So this is the risk and this is the reward. Teacher Miguel, should we? Teacher Miguel, Teacher Victor, Teacher Time to Shine, Teacher Nawaf, Teacher MHB, Teacher Annie, should I short the market right now? Look at the risk reward. Why did your trend line not touch any candles? Because I'm not focused in candles right now. So candles like this, right? Okay, there you go. Now it touched. Teachers, should we go short? Let's short the market. On the 4-hour chart, we didn't have the confirmed C, right? We didn't have the confirmed C on our original one. And on the 1 hour time frame, we are here. Wait till the candle is closed. On the 1 hour chart, Teacher Annie, the candle is closed. Teacher Annie, the candle is closed on the 1 hour chart. Should we short the market? Look at the risk reward. And remember, everybody, don't be shy. There is no right or wrong. Okay? Some aggressive traders are already in. I want you to think. Should we go short? Miguel says yes. MHB, we have to go on bigger time frame to enter. Time to shine. I would say no, because of our trend line isn't confirmed. Wait for a trend in the hourly chart. Okay, congratulations to you, everybody. Remember what you are saying, because next month we are going to build your strategy, and your homework is going to be to send to me on my email if you want. I'm going to give you my strategy, okay, and I want you to write down your strategy. What indicators are you going to use? What is going to be an entry setup? What risk reward rules are going to apply? Where is going to be your stop loss? Always. Okay, how are you going to trade trends? How are you going to trade sideways channels? What Fibonacci's are you going to trade? All of this. Okay, so Passion, can I enter right now? Yes, you can enter, but you are taking a high degree of risk, because yes, it's closed the candle above the uptrend line, but still we are in an uptrend with the up Fibonacci on the 1 hour 4 hour chart. The daily candle is not closed. I need to wait for 12 hours, and you don't have 2 lower lows and 2 lower highs on the other side of this uptrend line. So can you enter short? Yes, you can, but you are taking a high degree of risk, a high degree of technical risk. Okay, so this is AUD USD. Do you have any other currency pair to check, everybody? We need currency pairs that are generally down in a long-term downtrend. We can check AUD JPY, we can check USD CHF. Not because of the Fibonacci's, USD CHF is in a sideways channel. We can check what is in a downtrend. Euro JPY, Euro dollar, everybody, still in a downtrend. Oh, but it's moving up, yes, but long term is still down. Okay. Okay, let's check Euro dollar. Euro dollar, Euro dollar. We're going to start from the daily chart. Let's wait for the software to respond. Euro dollar daily chart. Euro dollar daily chart. NZD CAD. Okay, NZD CAD. NZD CAD. NZD CAD. Let's go. MHB Canada CHF is inside channel. Fibonacci's don't work. You are not going to have the monthly, weekly and daily on the Canada CHF. NZD CAD. Let's wait. Let's open. I'm going to delete the indicators. Delete, 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 and delete. And as you can see, everybody, we have here looks like a confirmed channel. The market is currently making a bearish engulfing candle. Okay, so maybe, just maybe, we are sideways. We learn about the sideways movements. They are part of the overall trading. Okay, so if the daily candle closes bearish, go short. We're going to check the other time frames too. Okay, if it closes, I need to wait for 12 hours. And where are the Fibonacci's? Delete, 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 delete. Come on, JForex. The platform is freezing. So let's wait. Okay. A, B, C, D. There you go. A to B, B to C. Okay, we have a confirmed C. This is a good thing. So we have the weekly and the monthly, the extensions. Okay. Now talking about the Contrarian Fibonacci. Contrarian Fibonacci on the daily chart is in here. Okay, this is the Contrarian. and red goes to red, so the target is going to be, this is going to be the take profit level for the Contrarian Fibonacci. Red goes to red, but most likely we are in a sideways channel. So if this candle closes bearish on the daily, we are going to short the market. And remember, you should have the projected the extensions on the weekly and on the monthly on your daily chart, because when the market hit the extension is game over, the market is going to retrace. Okay, this is the daily chart. Let's check the weekly chart. I'm going to delete the indicators, delete. Okay, where is the ABCD? ABCD, we're going to delete this one. Market wave extension, retracement, extension. So we are in extension. Okay, so before going short, everybody, in the sideways channel, this is your technical risk. You have double bottom here from the weekly chart. Double bottom, bullish candlestick formation. So before entering short, remember, this is going to be your risk. Okay, clone, clone, and the market from the daily is going sideways right now. Potential weekly double bottom near a monthly pivot point on N's decade. We are in a retracement. Are we in a retracement? No, we are not in a retracement yet, because the market is locked inside this sideways channel. But now, a great question. If the market is going to break the sideways channel, then yes, we are going to be in a retracement. Okay. Question for you. I'm your student, you're my teacher. What has less technical risk? If I short the sideways channel, or if I wait and I go long on the sideways channel? What has less technical risk? Passion, I'm confused on what to do. That's why I'm asking this question. You have double bottom with bullish candlestick formation on the weekly chart, and you have a down Fibonacci, original one, with a sideways channel on the daily chart. What should you do? Short. Why short? Even we have two bullish weekly candles. Yes, it's not a retracement, not yet. The market needs to move, needs to make higher highs, higher lows to make a retracement. Short. Okay, why short has less technical risk? Go short, the previous trend was down. MHB says long. Great, different views. Time to Shine and MHB and Annie, please explain why you think your trade has less technical risk. Miguel said, well, going short has less technical risk because the previous trend was down. The long-term bias is short. Okay, but I don't have the billions and trillions and zillions of dollars to put my stop loss above here. Time to Shine. I don't have that much capital. I have $1,000 in my account. I cannot sustain this. Can we see the monthly support? Yes, you can. Monthly support. Monthly support. Where? Here? Somewhere in here? Maybe? Monthly support. There you go. Okay, monthly support. This is the chart. Teachers, what should I do? I'm confused right now. Should I go short? Should I go long? Time to shine is at the top of channel as well. Okay, but teacher, time to shine, what about the double bottom on the weekly? Isn't this risky for me to go short? And it says higher time frame, go short. Okay, great. MHB, its own support, it has bullish candlestick formation. Teacher, but all the MHB, all the Fibonacci are down. And the market is locked. The market is locked inside this sideways channel and is going against me right now from the daily chart. Are you sure that I should go long? Stay out. This is a political answer, you know, not short, not long, stay out. Everybody, one of the reasons why 90% of traders all around the world lose money is because of the wrong timing. Timing is wrong. The timing, not the bias. Right? We know that long-term NZD should drop, right? Should go down. Right? The bias, but should I short the market right now? Should I wait? Should I go long? Should I go short? We should wait for the daily to go long. This is a nice answer, Nawaf. Congratulations to you. Nawaf says, well, wait for the daily candle to break the sideways movement, the sideways channel, and then go long. This is a nice answer about timing, right? This is a nice answer. We could wait for the daily to go long, yes. There is no clear direction as of yet. Some teacher says that we have a clear direction and it's the sideways channel, it's the clear direction. We have a sideways channel so far. Low to high, high to low, low to high. Well, it's not totally confirmed. We need to see a high and the market still falling down, right? So what is going to be? Stoyan, personally I am waiting for a short-term buying opportunity on the daily and 4-hour contrarian Fibonacci's. Great, teacher Stoyan, why do you want to go long on daily down Fibonacci? I'm not saying that you are wrong, I'm asking you as a student. Why would you go long if on the daily we have a down Fibonacci and the market is making lower lows, lower highs? So if we are going to trade what you see, why would you go long? Oh, it's short term. Okay. But still, as a student, I'm asking you, why would you go long short term if we are still in a down Fibonacci, original one on the daily, down market structure, down market wave, extension, retracement, extension. If it makes a new high, we have confirmed retracement daily. Not yet. This is the structural high. If the market is going to break this structural high up in here, then you are going to have a confirmation of the change of the short-term trend, technically speaking. Okay, but it needs to break this high. So if you are going to short the market, stop loss or stop reverse up in here. Or maybe sideways channel, right? Also, what we have a confirmed C that hasn't hit its target yet. The C's don't have targets. Time to shine. C's don't have targets. Or are you asking about the original Fibonacci? What if we have our original Fibonacci with a conformity that hasn't hit its target yet? This is the question. I'm asking you the same thing. What do you think? Before I give you the answer, and it's a Fibonacci answer, we're talking about the Fibonacci concepts, what this market should do in the short term. What should this market? Should stay in a sideways channel, but before retracing and going up, what should it do first? Should it hit the D extension or not before it's going to retrace up? I'm using the word should because we don't have the crystal ball. Anything can happen for any reason. The market can do anything it wants when it wants for the time it wants. Rakesh, how are you, my friends? Sir, your views on Euro GBP in short term? I'm shorting it. Thank you. Okay, we have what? 6 more minutes, so we are going to okay, answer. Trade the sideways channel is the short term answer. And if it's going to break, trade the movement of the break until it breaks your trend lines and Fibonacci's and everything. This is the answer. Better probability it hits the extension first. Yes, sir. Should hit the extension. Yes, Miguel. Agreed. Correct. Okay. So the higher probability is still a probability, not a guarantee, is that the market is going to move down. But it can do anything it wants. It can push higher also. Right? And Euro GBP open. Euro GBP, Euro GBP. Euro GBP in short term. So we're going to open the daily. If JForex is not going to freeze. Everybody after me is Rakesh is going to have a webinar. So daily chart first. Going to delete the indicators, delete the indicators, delete, 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 delete. See everybody, the Fibonacci's don't work inside the sideways channel, and Euro GBP is sideways. Delete, 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 delete. Okay, delete. See everybody, this is what we are talking about. Delete, 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 delete. This is the AB boundary, the red lines. Let's color code it in. Okay, it's okay. And the Fibonacci's don't work in here. It's sideways, up and down, up and down, up and down. Little bit smaller channel in between, but then up and down, right? So this is a area when you trade the sideways channel. Okay? Now, if you want, this is the, let's color code this one like this. Okay? So the first resistance is hit. Past resistance is hit. Okay, so you can go short if you want, but I would wait for another retracement and then short the market again. But you are almost at the end. This is the level of the sideways movement, first one, and then you have the last level of the sideways movement, somewhere in here. So if I'm going to put the Fibonacci like this, you have those 3 levels. So level number 1 is at 0.885811 of the sideways channel when the market can reverse, possibly. The second level is 0.84763, and the last level To go up, to go long is 0.83568. Okay, to go long, everybody. Okay, to go long. This is the long path. To go long. If you want to go short, bear in mind that you are almost at the levels of the reversal. As you can see here, the market reversal happened before on the second level, so you don't have a lot of space anymore. And remember, Euro GBP is a risky pair because of Brexit. Okay? Okay, everybody, our time is up. See you back tomorrow. Remember, these webinars are not trading or investment advice. And Rakesh is coming next on stage. So stay strong in the markets, trade with passion. This is FXPassion signing off.